Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and to our series on building an ADU in Charlotte, North Carolina. We finished building this ADU back in August 2025, but I haven't posted any videos about it for the last few months. In this video, I am going to show you the process of pouring the concrete driveway, and I will have a couple more videos on this ADU coming out over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the ADU build, drop them in the comments or reach out to me on Instagram. I will leave a link to my Instagram in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.